atmosphere, not the ring. We're looking at some sunshine breaking through the clouds right now. The clouds starting to thin out just a little bit, and we are going to be looking at a bright sunny afternoon. No complaints here, at least until this evening, when some showers will start to fire up off to the south. But I got to tell you, it's rain that we need, especially across South Jersey and Delaware, these areas that are in that severe and extreme drought. Rain is not a bad thing, but it's not coming through the daylight hours. You can get outside and enjoy this day. In fact, we've bumped up the temperatures a little bit thanks to increasing sunshine down the shore. I think we'll get to 57 there today, 58 in the Lehigh Valley, 61 in Philadelphia. Good deal of sunshine, a little bit of a breeze picking up in the afternoon, but your afternoon drive looks quiet. It may start to cloud up just a little bit by 7 o'clock, but I do think you'll need the sunglasses. Sun glare, the only problem with weather-wise, at least with your afternoon drive today. Let's talk about what to expect as far as that next system is concerned. Again, we've got some cloud cover out there this morning starting to break up. This next disturbance just kind of rounding the base of a trough here over the Ohio Valley, and this is going to be moving by to the south as we get into tonight. Most of this will stay south of us. Here's the timing on it. Again, clouds thin out through the rest of the day. 3 o'clock, it is bright and sunny. You can see that breeze from the west starting to pick up a little bit, so you will feel that out there today. But as we get into the evening, the clouds roll back in, and here comes the green yet again. But it's not until 9 or 10 o'clock. And notice this is mainly limited to areas off to the south. So while we could get clipped, maybe Delaware County, maybe South Philly with a stray shower later tonight, most of this is for the shore, basically Atlantic City, down through Cape May County into the Delaware beaches and then down into Maryland and Virginia. And it's going to be out of here pretty quickly. Quick hitting system by 2 a.m. It's off the coast, and I think tomorrow morning's commute is dry. Tomorrow afternoon, you will see some clouds start to bubble up right here. That's just because of colder air in the upper atmosphere moving in. When you get any sunshine, it creates instability. Those parcels of air rise as the sun warms the ground, rising into that colder air aloft. That's how you get cloud cover. And I do think the clouds will start to bubble up in the afternoon tomorrow and then clear out tomorrow night. Thursday, a little bit less active. In fact, I think it's a full day of sunshine. It's a seasonable day, a little cooler than it has been, but no problems as far as the weather is concerned. And as far as tonight is concerned, we're not looking at much in the way of rainfall, maybe 1/10 of an inch up to maybe 1/4 to 1/2 an inch the farther south and southeast you go. But most of us will not see much of anything. So breaking it down day by day here tomorrow and Thursday, we wake up tomorrow, that system overnight is already out. It's cooler, it's breezy. Again, we'll see those clouds start to bubble up a bit in the afternoon, but Thursday looks bright and sunny, just in the mid-50s. Friday and Saturday, we start to warm up as a warm front sets up shop just off to the north. Temperatures rise back to the 60s Friday, 70s on Saturday. But that warm front also has a cold front that will come in behind it Sunday into Monday, and that will bring the chance for some rain or thunderstorms again late Sunday and again on Monday. So here's what that system looks like as of now. This is our lower resolution kind of extended range model, but I want to show you the timing. Friday, clouds increase. Now here's the warm front on Saturday. Some of our models have this further south, so I don't think we can discount the possibility of a shower Friday night or Saturday morning. Then it lifts north, and Saturday warms up briefly out ahead of the cold front, which is going to come through Sunday. Sunday clouds up, showers late, and possibly even a thunderstorm chance as we get into the start of next week on Monday. So let's pull up your next weather 7-day forecast, and here's what we're looking at. 60s today, a little cooler, a few more clouds tomorrow midday, then Thursday's bright and sunny. Here comes that warming trend, maybe a shower late Friday night.